Happy birthday to you! Pagpasensya mo na, Coach, ang aming mumunting effort.
so much.
Pero we have to evacuate and go to the park right away. Welcome,
you
welcome
so
to our
much.
humble abode, Ate Karen and mga bagets. Hi!
Thank you so much.
Iihip lang po kayo ng cake nyo dito kasi...
I appreciate.
Yes! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Coach Grace! Happy birthday to you! More blessings, Coach. Salamat po sa buhay nyo.
Prayers.
Yes. May the Lord grant all your prayers and the desires of your heart.
Thank
Sa
you
lahat
so
ng inyong
much.
pagpapagal, nakikita yan ni Lord, Coach. We love you so much.